Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Firstly, thank you for stopping by and watching this video if you are watching this video. Secondly, today I'm going to show you how I got this look. um, it was very impromptu. I was not really planning on doing this look, but then I really liked how it turned out, and so I thought of filming it again. So if you're going out for any party or clubbing, if you want something intense, you can totally go with this look, and it's very glamorous according to me, in my opinion. So yeah, I do not want to blabber a lot now. Want to know how I got this look? Then please keep on watching.
Hello. First things first, I'm using my most favorite product from PAC, the makeup moisturizing lotion. I cannot skip this part of this product because it's just simply amazing. And then of course I'm priming my eyes because I'm starting off with my eyes first. Priming my eyes with my favorite e.l.f. HD primer and dancing the same time because I love to. And then I am of course starting off with my eyes, so I'm using this Makeup Revolution Iconic 1 palette. I'm going with the lightest shade because I have discoloration, and that's why I have to. And I'm going on with this shade. This is going to be my transition shade, and I'm just going all over my crease. Then I'm going on with this darker, warmer brown shade. I'm taking this tapered, angle tapered brush, and this time I'm going on with windshield wiper motion, circular motions, and I'm going to repeat this step until I get the kind of look, warmer look that I want. And I'm again going on with the same brush and the same shade again to intensify or to want the kind of look that I want. Yeah, it should be warmer, and I'm going to work on with it. So with this look, it's very important to patiently work on your eyes because it's going to take a while. Then I'm taking this I've taken this Maybelline the Nude palette. I'm taking this brownish grayish shade again to intensify the outer V, and I'm taking this pencil brush and the darker purple shade from the palette to intensify or to intensify the outer V because that's what I want. I want my outer V to be really smoked out and to be really dark purple in color, and that's what I'm going to create. So I'm going to patiently work on with it with this pencil brush, and while doing this step I'm going to make sure that I use a fluffy blending brush, yes, this one, and then I am just going to work on with it, and I'm going to make sure that I don't have any harsh lines, otherwise it's going to look bad, trust me. So whenever you are building any color, any dark shade, you have to make sure that during the process you are using a blending brush to clear out any harsh lines so that your eyes look or your eye makeup will look on point or look on point. So the purpose is, my goal is to have a darker purplish shade on the outer V area of my eye, and that's what I'm trying to achieve. And then I'm going to use this palette from In Color. It's from a local brand, and I love this palette. And I'm going to take this flat tapered brush, and I'm gently going to pat purple shade from the palette. I've taken a purple shade and I am just going it and applying it over my lid, and then I'm using my ring finger to again gently pat it over the same area um, to get the visibility of the color, because using a brush is fine, but the, the moment you use your finger, it's going to just make it look even better. And then I'm highlighting my brow bone with the same palette, Maybelline the Nudes palette. I'm going to list everything in the description box, so if I miss out anything, if I miss out saying or telling any product, please check the description box. Then I'm using this charcoal pencil from LA Girl, and I'm just lining my upper lash line. My favorite thing to do, I love this step. And then I'm using this, I do not really know the brand of this product, but this is a liner, silver liner. I really wanted to do something different with this look, something nice, something different, and so I thought of going on with this silver liner over my charcoal liner, and I'm going to list it in the description box, the name of it. Then I'm going to take this pencil from Nykaa. It's called Azure Charm, and then I'm again going over my silver liner very thinly, and then I am priming my face with this Color Bar primer. It's a silicone based primer, I love it, and I'm just applying it over my T-zone because I get too oily there. Then I'm going to fill my brows with this Sugar Cosmetics Eyebrow Arch Arrival Pencil. I think it's in the color Top Tom, and I love this product. Then I'm going to use this color corrector from LA Girl. Love it. I need it because I have dark circles and discoloration on my face. I'm just going to shear it out with my finger, my ring finger, because it's important. If you do not shear it out, if you just apply your foundation over it without shearing it out, it's going to look bad. Then I'm going to use this foundation from Nykaa, the Skin Genius foundation, and I'm just dotted over my face. I'm just dotting it over my face, and I'm dancing the same time because I love doing it. Yes. And then my usual, I'm using a damn beauty blender to apply my foundation, and I love doing this step as mentioned earlier. And I'm taking this concealer from NYX. It's a NYX HD concealer in the color Fair, if I'm not wrong. And I'm just using this concealer, applying it on the usual areas. This time I wanted to also conceal the area around my eyebrows because I really felt that it was just looking out of place for me, and that's why I thought of concealing the area around my eyebrows this time. I just wanted it to get the kind of attention that I wanted, if that makes sense. Then I'm also again going to use my most favorite Maybelline Fit Me concealer over the NYX HD concealer because it has a yellow undertone to it, and that's what I wanted. And the next one, it has a pink undertone to it, so to balance it out I used it. And I'm going to use this powder from Bharat and Doris, and I'm baking my face. And I love this part, I love this step because it's really important, and especially during summers this is the most important part, and you do not want to skip this part. And one more thing, you are not supposed to dust off the powder immediately you bake your face. Take some time and then dust off the powder. I am again using this charcoal shade from LA Girl on my lower lash line, and then I'm going to top it up with this long lasting eye pencil from Essence. It's a nice purple shade. I do not know the name of it. I'm going to put it in the description box. And then I'm going to use this mascara from Maybelline. It's the Maybelline Sensational Mascara. I love this mascara. It's one of my top favorites. And yes, I'm not going to use any falsies for this look, so it just did not really make any difference. And that's the beauty of this mascara. I love it. And then I'm going to move on with contouring my face. I'm going to use this contour stick from Wet n Wild, and I love this contour stick. I love using it on my face. I've been actually loving it. And then I'm going to use this buffing brush to buff out the contour. I really have been loving this contour stick lately. I've been using it so much way lately, and I also highly recommend using this during summers because it did not really make me feel greasy, sticky, and it was not at all discomforting for me. So I love this product. Only the smell is disgusting, and the smell of the product is really disgusting. And yeah, I love doing this step, but it's really tiring. Bronzing, contouring makes a huge difference to your full makeup uh, routine. I feel it gives so much definition to your face. It's just amazing. And then I'm going to use this blush from Sugar Cosmetics, and then I'm going to use this brush from, I don't know, I'm going to put it in the description box. But I love this brush. I've been using this brush for like so many years now. And I'm just going to buff out the nose contour, and after doing this process, I'm going to use some loose powder around the area of my nose, actually the bridge of my nose, to make it look more sharper. And then finally I'm going to use this amazing, yes, this amazing highlighting powder from Wet n Wild. I don't know the name of it. I'm going to put it in the description box, but it's super amazing, pigmented, and perfect for Indian skin tone. It's got a pearly color, and it's just beautiful. Cannot stop using it. Just cannot. Just look at it. Oh my god. Okay, stop. No, it's, oh, it's amazing. And then I'm dusting off the powder, loose powder from my nose, and then I'm again, oh my god. And then I'm using this matte lipstick from Nykaa. It's from the So Matte Lip range. This is such a beautiful shade. It's my most favorite shade from the entire range. It's so different and unique, and it was so apt for this look. I love the texture and everything about this lipstick. Also, it's super affordable. Also, last but not least, you cannot forget this step, using my most favorite makeup setting spray from NYX, and this is the finished look. I hope you like it. If you like it, then like the video, subscribe. Till then, bye. Take care. Mwah. Please subscribe.